Imagine all of space and time condensed into a point smaller than an atom. This was our universe 13.8 billion years ago. Then the Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, but of space. An expansion, rapid and relentless, creating everything we know. In the first fraction of a second, the universe was an inferno of energy. As it expanded, it cooled, allowing for the formation of fundamental particles, quarks, electrons, and their kin. These particles, the building blocks of all matter, swarmed in the nascent universe. The universe, once a sea of energy, began to take on structure. Gravity, the architect of the cosmos, started to exert its pull, drawing particles together. This marked the first step on a long journey, from the chaos of the Big Bang to the intricate universe we see today. Gravity worked tirelessly in the young universe. It pulled together clouds of hydrogen and helium, the first elements forged in the Big Bang's crucible. These clouds, massive and dense, began to collapse under their own gravity. As the clouds contracted, temperatures soared. Protons, the hearts of hydrogen atoms, slammed into each other with incredible force. This fusion ignited the first stars, flooding the universe with light and warmth. Stars didn't form in isolation. Gravity continued its work, drawing them together into colossal clusters. These clusters, bound by gravity's invisible hand, became the first galaxy, vast islands of stars sprinkled throughout the cosmos. About 4.6 billion years ago, in an unremarkable corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse. This wasn't unusual. Star formation was happening across the universe, but this particular cloud, our solar nebula, would give birth to something extraordinary. As the cloud contracted, it began to spin faster and faster, like a figure skater drawing in their arms. At the center, gravity pulled most of the material into a dense ball. This ball, under immense pressure and heat, ignited into our sun. The remaining material, swirling around the newborn sun, clumped together into smaller bodies, planets, moons, and asteroids. Among them was Earth, a rocky world that found itself at just the right distance from the sun. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water, the elixir of life. Section 4. A spark of life, from simple cells to complex organisms. Earth in its infancy was a chaotic world of volcanoes, molten rock, and a toxic atmosphere. Yet in this primordial soup, life found a way. The precise details remain a mystery, but we know that life emerged from non-living matter, a process called abiogenesis. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms similar to bacteria. They thrived in Earth's early oceans, harnessing energy from the sun and replicating themselves. Over eons, these single-celled pioneers evolved, diversifying and becoming more complex. From these humble beginnings, life exploded in a riot of diversity. Plants colonized the land, breathing oxygen into the atmosphere. Animals followed, evolving into countless shapes and sizes. The tree of life branched out, its roots firmly planted in those first simple cells. Section 5. The dawn of humanity. Our journey begins. Millions of years passed and life on Earth continued to evolve. Dinosaurs rose and fell, leaving behind only fossils as silent testament to their reign. Mammals, once small and nocturnal, took center stage. And among them, a lineage of primates embarked on a path that would lead to us. Early hominids, our distant ancestors, stood upright and walked on two legs, freeing their hands to use tools. They developed larger brains capable of complex thought and communication. They learned to control fire, a pivotal moment that set them apart from all other animals. With intelligence and ingenuity, humans spread across the globe, adapting to diverse environments and building civilizations. We developed language, art, music, and technology, driven by an insatiable curiosity to understand the world around us. Section 6. Reflections on our cosmic journey. From a universe condensed into a point to the emergence of life and consciousness, our cosmic journey is a tale of awe-inspiring wonder. It's a story written in the language of stars, galaxies, and the intricate chemistry of life itself. As we gaze upon the night sky, We are looking back in time, witnessing the echoes of the Big Bang and the birth of stars. We are a product of this vast and ancient universe, connected to it by the very atoms in our bodies. The universe is still evolving, its mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore and understand our place in the cosmos, we do so with a sense of humility, wonder, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge.